In this video, how to create a moving icon on a map in Camtasia. Creating a moving icon on a map in Camtasia can effectively illustrate routes, highlight locations, or demonstrate movement for presentations and videos. To achieve this effect, we'll combine a map image with an icon and use Camtasia's motion path features. Next, apply the motion path effect to the icon. As you can see, the icon doesn't naturally follow the direction just yet. To fix this, simply select the Auto Orient checkbox in the Motion Path properties. This will ensure the plane rotates smoothly along the path and follows the path. In some cases, you need a complex path. You can add key points along the path and adjust the icon position at each one to simulate movement across the map. In this case, we need to change the line style from curve to straight line. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.